I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to make a triangle in 2 ways in Adobe Illustrator Pro 2024. So the process is pretty easy, so make sure you watch this until the very end. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe for more. And what you have to do first, click on this, the first method, click on polygon, right click, select polygon. If you have selected rectangle tool, click on it. Now let's create a polygon, and now right over here or around here you should see this plus and minus. So if you drag all the way to 3, slide 3, now you have a triangle. That's the first method. Now the second method is really simple as well. So what you have to do is to click on polygon again and just click, and here instead of slide 6, slide 3, and you click OK, and you have now another polygon. So basically that's what you have to do. I really hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you now in the next video. All right, and if you have more questions about Adobe Illustrator, don't hesitate to leave your questions down below, because I'll create a tutorial for you. Even if it's a 10 seconds question, I'll create a tutorial for you. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.